Good morning, class 4th. So, children, in the last period, we had started the chapter and we had finished till this page number 37. The topic was that how to make our text bold, italic, and underline. Just to remind you that this is chapter number 3, more on MS Word, and we had done this topic last time. Okay, children, so now we will start from page number 38. Okay, and these are the quick steps, means these are the keyboard shortcuts for the various functions. That is, to make bold we will press this, to italicize we will press this, and to underline we will press this. Okay, while pressing these keys, remember that you have to press both the keys at the same time. You cannot do this like you press control key and then little bit later you press B key. No, you will keep on pressing control and then you will click on B. Okay, now we will start the next topic, and before we start this topic I just want to tell you that right now we are doing the theory part and I will send you the practical part soon. Okay, and you have to go through both the parts properly because the questions can be asked from in between as well. Okay, children, so let's start. Changing font. Font is the look and shape of the letters of the text. There are many fonts available in MS Word. The following steps are used to change the font of the text. So what is font? Basically it is the look and the shape of the text. Okay, whatever the look of the text is, that we call it as font. Like here the look is this one, and if you see here the look is little bit different. Okay, so many a times we need to change the look of the font, and at that time we can use the font types. Let's see how we will do. First you will select the text to change the font. Obviously for any change you first need to select the part where you want to apply that change. Then click the home tab. Home tab is this tab. Okay, you will click on this home tab and then click the drop down list box on the font button from the font group. Here you will click on this drop down list box. Here right now the font type is Cambria headings. Usually by default you will see the font type says Calibri body. Okay, so here you will press on this drop down list box and drop down list arrow box, and then you will see that many other fonts are given to you. So here you can see that the look is different. The names are given to you and it is in alphabetical order, and there are many fonts available there. Okay, so like if you see here Cambria is different in look than Calibri, Arial Black, and whichever font you will see, its look is different from the last one. Can you see all these fonts? So you can apply any of these font on your text and the text will look differently. Now on the font button from the font group. Now choose the font type from the list and click it to apply. You will choose from here and then you will click on the apply button, and then you will see the change in the look. Okay, right now the text written here is I love my India, and if you apply any of this, like here you can see the India, Arial Black was applied and India here is looking differently. Okay children, now changing font size. Font size refers to the size of a letter or character. The following steps are used to change the font size. So here just beside this there is a box. Here you can choose the size. You can choose from the predefined sizes, and also you can give your own sizes. So the following steps are used to change the font size. First is step 1. Select the size to change the font, select the text to change the font size. Again, selection of the text. Click the home tab, repetition, again repetition, and click the drop down list arrow on the font size button. Here right now it is 24 in the font group. Choose the font size from the list and click it to apply. So here, if you see, there is a list here of the font size, but if you want to choose the font size other than this list, then you can change on your own. Like if you see here, after 48 straight away 72 is given. So if you want the size to be 50, you can write down here. Instead of choosing from this list box, because it is not given, you can straight away write from here. Okay children, so this was about the font size.